Have you bought high tension and wondered what is the difference between single draw and double draw hair? Many hair buyers, salon owners, and even beginners often get confused by the two terms. In this video, we will break down the key difference between single draw and double draw so you can choose the right hair for your business or personal use. First, let's talk about the single drawn hair. The single drawn webs replicate the real hair we have. It actually thick at the root with some weatherings as well as thinner towards the end. Advantage of single drawn hair. A single drawn high tension is one of the most common extension kinds as a result of looking natural and also inexpensive. Single drawn hair is selected due to its own natural surface and recognized with the natural hair growing from the scalp. It hair will not expand. Definitely, the price of single draw hair is normally reduced than other hair ties, such as a popular choice for budget-friendly hair extensions. However, because of the shorter transmitter inside the bundle, the ends can look slightly. Secondly, what is the double draw hair? Double draw hair extensions have shorter hair removed by hand. Workers reduce the hair finished by hands, so the complete package will continue to be very same volume from top to bottom. The hairs are organized in equal lengths, developing a really smooth and refined look, which boosts the quality of the hair extensions and can provide you with a fuller look. You will pay even more on double draw hair extension for its reduce the quality, volume, and duration. That the hair large you will far exceed single draw hair extension. Let's quickly compare the two. The hair thickness single draw is thicker on the top of the hair and being thin on the end. Double draw thicker as well as coupled regularly. The hair volume single draw more natural volume. Double draw is fuller and denser. Price of single draw is more affordable. The double draw price is higher. So, which one should you choose? It actually depends on your needs. Single drawn hairs are perfect if you prefer a natural look and want to stay within the lower budget. And two double draw hairs if you prefer fuller, thicker, chic looking hair. Now you know the difference between single drawn and double drawn hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more videos about the hair extension tips and business insight. See you next video!